Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas! Oh, I'm so happy. This is actually my first time ordering from SHEIN and I'm so happy because I'm ordering Christmas stuff, and you guys know Christmas is my favorite time of the year, so I'm gonna try to contain my excitement for this video. Guys, my order actually came 4 days early. I'm like so happy with SHEIN because it was meant to come on the 4th of December but it came on the 30th of November, so let's just get straight into the unboxing. I was actually meant to get the pink fur handrest, but literally last minute when I was about to check out and pay, I just swapped it for this pink heart faux leather one. I just saw this pink heart one, I just thought it was so cute, I just had to get it. And next guys, I have these little artificial pink flowers. I got them so I could decorate my desk and so it could look really cute. Plus they were really cheap, so that's like a win-win. Do you know what guys, I don't really want to talk too much in this video. I'm just going to put some Christmas music and I'm going to let you guys watch the video and enjoy it. I'm going to have the links to everything down in the description box. And overall, I'm just going to say this, I love everything that came. I have zero complaints, so there's not really much to talk about. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the Christmas nails I do with these nail art stuff. So yeah guys, enjoy the video. I'll see you guys towards the end.
She went away on Christmas Day, didn't come back till New Year. He thought everything had changed, but it was all in his head, a sad invention. As soon as I mentioned the boy girl do their own thing, no lonely heart. So go on in, there's wood on the fire. She went away on Christmas Day, but he already knew this was coming, but still he made mistakes. Instead of just making friends, you went on bending. As soon as I mentioned the boy girl do their own thing, no lonely heart. So go on in, there's wood on the fire. Christmas Day, and he just didn't get it, but she needed a break. And all we could never tell, that all that tension was all invention. Boy, girl do their own thing, no lonely heart.
Alright, here we go. Yeah. Jamel. Right here. Okay. Yeah. Hey. I've been working 9 to 5. You've been always on my mind. Yeah. I just wanna go home. Sitting on the Interstate 5. Driving could never ease my mind how I wanted to, yeah. I just wanna know, will you stay with me on the west side? Will you be my baby when the sunrise? Oh, yeah. Oh, nah. Since you left me at my worst time, hold me closer so I feel fine. Whoa, yeah. Nah. Cause the way you move on like you do, give me the west side blues, yeah. Cause the way you move on like you do, riverside blue, yeah. Hey, hey.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and fill the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. It's taking it slow, won't work on time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his realize. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you.
So friends, that's all for me from this haul. I'm so in love with everything I got. It's all just so festive, so Christmassy. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.